Hey everybody, get ready! Get ready for the action-packed story of a Game World Guardian! Get ready for the defender of good and despiser of evil! Me! Goemon!
Get on with it!
Huh?
All right, Fatso, try a taste of my freeze beam. I did it!
Don't tell me you were up all night working again, dear. Dear?
Oh, good morning, honey.
I've had enough of this jam-packed train!
How can you still be playing that stupid game?
I know, but I'm almost finished, I swear. I can't advance to the next level until I kill this big guy over here.
What? After all this time, you're still stuck on the first level? Give me the controller. I'll get you there in 2 seconds, Dad.
No, Tsukasa, I need to do it myself.
You shouldn't spend that much time playing. It raises your blood pressure and causes back pain, puts pressure on the optic nerve, and gives you ringing ears and neuralgia.
How can anyone enjoy playing a game when they know it's killing them like that?
See you later!
Have a nice day.
I thought being a hero was hard, but being a dad is harder.
Get me out of this thing, please.
There's just too many people down there! Seppukumara better hurry up and conquer this city before they all rise up and he loses control completely. I don't know if he even has a chance now.
If he fails this time, he may finally decide to commit seppuku for real.
It's about time if you ask me.
About time for what?
About time for you to commit seppuku.
What? Seppuku?
Lord Seppukumaru!
What are you idiots talking about up here?
Yeah, we were just wondering what our next battle plan was going to be.
Look here.
It's not moving at all, is it?
Maybe it's broken or something.
It's not broken, you fool!
Hey, now it's moving!
Idiot! Of course it's moving now. It's my rage index.
You must be getting angry.
I'm angry because if the rage gauge stays this low, I'll never turn this world into my evil sanctuary.
Oh! Okay. I get the picture now, okay?
What we need to do now is to find a kind of anger so powerful, it makes everything we've seen before look like mere child's play. You understand me?
Yes, sir!
If I fail in my mission one more time, I'll get to commit seppuku. Oh, I mean if I fail, I will be forced to commit seppuku.
My father. My father works for the police department. I don't know. Has my father ever arrested a bad guy? I don't think criminals are dumb enough to get arrested by my father. How come everyone else is writing so much? Anyway, I'm sure by now Dad has already screwed something up big time and is getting yelled at by his boss.
Ishikawa! What exactly is your duty as the man in charge of Unit X?
Well, sir, solving the unexplained incidents that keep cropping up all over town.
And where in that job description does it authorize you to spend all day playing video games? Huh?
But Chief Inspector, sir, you know as well as I do, those bad guys we've been encountering come from the video game world. In fact, you're the one who told me that playing games might help me catch them.
I've seen you playing those games and you're goofing off, not working!
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
It's been weeks since the first supernatural incident and it's high time I see some results! You hear me?
Yes, sir!
Let's see, I just finished the second level by killing that big fat alien with my freeze beam.
Hey, Yoshikawa. We just got a new shipment of games from the entertainment company today.
Dakota, can you help me get through these things?
Sorry, I just got assigned to a homicide investigation in the Minato district, so my plate's pretty full, if you'll excuse me.
Wait! Is it okay if I tag along? Come back!
I couldn't come up with anything to write about my father, so now I have to take it home with me and finish it as homework.
How could you have nothing to write about your own father? I mean, I put down tons about how my dad is a great family man.
My father graduated from the elite primary school, elite junior high, and elite senior high. And then he finished at an elite college, and now he runs his own real estate firm.
Well, maybe you should go write his resume for him. I'm home!
Hi, Tsukasa. Can I ask you a favor? I've got to rush off to a PTA meeting in a minute, and there's nothing in the fridge for dinner tonight, so I was wondering if you could do a little shopping.
I guess I have to. All right, but I'm taking Goemon with me.
You're such a good boy.
Tsukasa!
Huh?
Where are you running off to?
My mom asked me to go to the store and pick up some stuff for dinner.
What's on the menu for tonight, kid?
A piping hot pot of oyster and shrimp stew, Ishikawa style.
It sounds heavenly to me.
Hey, Goemon, you want to come to the store with me?
Sure, let's go. Could I come too?
All right, I guess so. I have to go to the store where they carry my dad's favorite kelp so we can use it for the stock, which means we've got to take a train.
Hang on. Did you say we're gonna take a train ride?
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. I always wanted to know what it's like to ride on a train. Then what are we waiting for? Wow, whip us some more. This sure beats a horseback ride. It even beats a piggyback ride. Blingy! Ta-da!
No! Woohoo! Goemon, you've got to stop, Ebizumaru! Huh? Oh! Goemon, come back here! You can't ride around the top of the train!
Let go!
I should have known better.
What? So what do you think, huh? I've never had so much fun so fast!
Enjoy it while you can, you big show-off.
What do you mean by that?
You're gonna find out soon enough.
If we follow all those anxious-looking people, we may discover a way to push the rage gauge over the top. We look pretty good.
Too bad we don't feel pretty good. Oh.
Maybe this little video game will give me a clue how to catch those supernatural bad guys.
I've never seen so many people before. And everyone seems to be heading in the same direction, too.
Everyone who works in town takes the train to go home.
Of course they do. There's nothing like a good train ride to soothe the soul.
Oh, no. We only take the train because we have to.
What are you talking about? Riding the train is so much fun.
What is this crowd standing here for?
Lucky for us, they all look the same, so no one will notice us.
It looks like everyone's waiting for something.
What the heck is that thing? Let me out!
I'm getting squished!
Everyone's in a hurry to go home.
I can't believe the size of this crowd. I mean, there are more people waiting here to see a train than you get outside your average freak show.
This is exactly why I don't like taking a dumb train in the evening.
Hey, is that your father over there, Tsukasa?
It sure is. How's it going, Dad?
Tsukasa, what are you doing here in town?
Mom sent me on an errand to get your favorite kelp for stock.
Fantastic. You mean we're gonna have oyster and shrimp stew?
I don't know how much more of this I can stand. I can't move an inch.
Every time I peek outside, I see more and more people.
I'd say we found what can push Seppukumaru's rage gauge all the way into the red zone.
I can't breathe down here. Get off me!
Ah! You pervert! Take that!
I didn't do anything, I swear. Let me out of here! No, let me go! Let me go!
We've got to report all these awful pushing people to Seppukumaru right away!
You're right. This could be the one we've been looking for. I can't wait anymore!
It's kind of tight in here.
I can't believe you make this crazy trip twice a day.
Yeah, every single day.
Wow, I feel sorry for you. Samaru, where do you think you're going?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, hang on. I'll come in there and get you. Samaru!
Wait! Stop! Wait! No! Move! No, wait! Don't close the door on me! I said don't close the door!
Samaru!
Where the heck am I going?
Go, Lightning, go! Go, Lightning, go!
Here, Tsukasa, give the bag to me and I'll keep it safe. Excuse me for a sec. That's my special kelp you're stepping on.
How can these humans do this every day?
Oh, this is it, everyone! I had no idea there was so much rage here. Keep going, almost there. Yeah. Come forth, Debu Debu!
Not working, is it? There must not be as much rage down there as we thought!
There will be plenty of rage down there. You just wait and see. Now! Doskoi! 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 Come on! Doskoi!
Huh? Oh no! It's getting even more crowded in here. Are you all right over there, Tsukasa?
My feet aren't working!
What are all these chubby weirdos doing here?
The rage gauge is going up, Lord Seppukumaru.
And now, my big fat digitally enhanced monster, let's show them what you're made of! Thank you! Thank you! Debu, Debu!
It's getting tighter in here!
What the heck is that crazy thing?
Doskoi! Doskoi! Doskoi!
Oh man, this has got to be the work of Seppukumaru.
Doskoi! Doskoi!
Oh, no!
Yoisho! Yoisho! You can't get away from me! Come back here!
Damage to public property, inciting a riot, blocking traffic, stealing a ride on public transport? I'll arrest you yellow freaks for all kinds of stuff!
Yeah! Get ya! Get ya! Yai?
What's up?
This sumo wrestler guy just keeps getting bigger and bigger!
Seppukumaru?
It's gotta be!
Ah! It's time to die!
You'll pay for that, fat boy!
Dad, what are we gonna do about him?
I've got to stay here and help Goemon catch the bad guys, but you should run off and find a safe place to hide.
My dad's gonna fight?
That's it, pathetic little humans. Let your panic run wild.
Another train's coming! Can't you see there's people here? Stop! The train, stop!
What are you doing, Dad? Come back!
Stop!
Dad, are you okay?
Say something!
That was unbelievable!
Nice work, Mr. Ishikawa!
Where did those chubby guys go?
I've got to stop that blob before he stomps his way into town! Go!
Go!
For all that's good, Goemon Impact! So sleepy. Oh no, I lost all my energy fighting my way out of that jam-packed train today.
You need your special ohagi.
Can you get it for me?
Sure.
Well, look who's come back from her adventures.
Hi there.
Tsukasa isn't here, honey.
Hi there.
Does that girl ever stop?
Ha-ha! Very excellent work you're doing, my heavy-set friend. Now you can smash them, Debu. Don't let that pint-sized hero get away.
Goemon, I've got your ohagi right here.
Yeah, you're a lifesaver. Pure power for all that's good. Goemon Impact!
Finally. Big.
Bigger! Biggest of all! For all that's good! Goemon Impact!
We're all counting on you!
All right. You guys evacuate the area and leave this guy to me.
I'll lead everyone else to a safe location, but then I'm coming back here to help you bring this criminal to justice.
We'll help you with your job, and you can help us with ours, okay?
Goemon, look out!
Debu, okay. Now destroy those little heroes once and for all.
I've had enough of Mr. Chubby here. Let's give him a taste of our patented Impact Super Punch!
Attack! Super Punch!
We're punching as hard as we can. It's not making a dent. Okay, let's try our Super Kick now.
Super Kick!
How can this be? The Super Kick has never failed before.
So tell me, Goemon, how does it feel to know that I have all the power?
I've got to do something. I know! Goemon, use your freeze beam to blast that ugly sumo wrestler to Kingdom Come!
Are you crazy, Mr. Ishikawa? We don't have a freeze beam!
What are we gonna do now, Dad?
Oh, I wonder if there's a store around here that sells freeze beams made special for combat with giant sumo wrestler guys. Huh? Aha! I think I just found the perfect thing! A refrigerator trunk! Excellent! Hold on a little longer.
What are you doing?
Goemon, it may not be a freeze beam, but try this.
Then we'll just have to make do. We did it, Yai!
They froze our sumo wrestlers!
Is it me or is it cold in here?
And now for the final blow.
We did it! We shattered the Vatso!
Justice wins again.
And we owe it all to Tsukasa's father.
You sure you're feeling all right, Tsukasa?
Yeah, I'm feeling better than ever.
Oh, I got beat by that peep-sweet Goemon!
Oh!
Wow, what rage! According to the meter, Seppukumaru's rage is outrageous!
What amazing anger! I'm gonna go scout out some evil to do!
My father is so brave. He is a hero who protects our peace and security. That was easy! Uh-oh! We forgot about...
I can't seem to figure out how to get off this crazy thing anymore. Somebody help me!
Are we gonna patrol today?
No, Goemon, we're going camping!
Ah, that reminds me of my old ninja training days. Hey, let's go hunting for mushrooms and nuts!
Goemon, there's no time for that! Look, it's a forest fire!
What? Quick! We gotta put it out!
On the next Ganbare Goemon!
It's a camping trip, and a bear, and a fire!
Hey, what's wrong with Ebi Smaru?